Hello, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest.
Ta-da!
What's your name?
My name is Disha.
This is my friend Disha, and today we are just here at Victoria Memorial and we are going to give you a story time because our lives are very much full of drama.
Oh my god.
Well, starting with today, the metro came like 15-20 minutes late. Like time दिख भी नहीं रहा था कि metro कब आएगा और metro late आया. And we got on the metro and the entire time somebody was staring at me. And it's not a man, it's a woman. And I made it very visible that I was uncomfortable with her staring at me. But I think she just found fun in it, in the fact that I was uncomfortable. She was constantly whispering to her mom or whoever it was that was with her. And she kept staring at me to until the moment. Oh my god, this is Swan. Yeah, so she was staring at me even until the moment we stepped out of the door.
That's not a snake.
What is that? Distraction. सो या आज पता चला कि औरतें भी औरतों को इतना देर तक गंदा स्टेयर देती हैं एंड समवन आवर एज नॉट इवन समवन ओल्डर.
She looked maybe younger, but not even
Yeah,
younger.
she looked like she was like at least
14?
14. Yeah,
15, yeah.
something like that. And now Disha will tell a story that she has.
So basically, हम लोग आ रहे थे मेट्रो से, तो हम दोनों वॉक करते करते आ रहे थे. Suddenly there's this uncle that we don't know. देखियो नहीं कोनो दिनों, but अचानक से साइशा ब्लॉग बना रही थी, हम लोग आ रहे थे, and he just said something in my ear and I was like एक सेकंड के लिए I did not even process कि क्या बोला है. फिर I realized कि उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि बॉयफ्रेंड तो नहीं, मेरे साथ ही घोरो.
Like dude, like boyfriend के साथ भी घूमो तो प्रॉब्लम है,
वही.
boyfriend के साथ नहीं भी घूमो तो प्रॉब्लम है, सब चीज में इन्हें प्रॉब्लम.
Like, can mind your own business, uncle.
The thing is, हमारी लाइफ इतना ज़्यादा ड्रामे से भरी हुई है कि हमें at this point पता भी नहीं है हम क्या स्टोरी बोल रहे हैं.
At this point, if I start
इसके पास बहुत
telling
story है.
कुछ भी drama,
You know what?
that would blow up.
Let's say it.
No.
Let's say it. Obviously with XYZ.
XYZ.
We're not gonna name anyone. That's not okay.
Yeah.
ऊपर से ड्रामा हम ही पे वापस आएगा
Yeah.
वो करेंगे तो but
So I'll tell you a story about my college, ठीक है? So basically, मेरे college में there's this senior X and there's the senior Y and there's this whole committee of members, Angdoos, okay?
okay.
हाँ. So basically, whenever we give money for something, कुछ भी function हो रहा है या फिर कुछ भी, तो why? Maybe she, heard something from someone or she saw it on her own, by her own, की है?
She saw it on herself.
herself that वो लोग पैसे का घपला करते हैं.
पैसे का घपला.
Yeah.
My God.
And then X and Y somehow planned that they'll expose them by collecting proof. And they were chatting with Bittu.
Bittu.
Yeah. So somehow the Angdoos got to know that they were talking to Bittu about this. And you know what they did?
What did they do?
They called Bittu somewhere कि तुम लोग चाय दुकान पे आओ, सब मिलके ऐसे बात करेंगे, कुछ नहीं. तो Bittu was like, okay, क्या है, चलते हैं. He had no clue that they were about to gang up on him. They snatched his phone, Bittu's phone. They deleted all the chats and all the proof he had and threatened him कि if you do ऐसा वैसा then हम लोग तो अभी कॉलेज में नहीं रहेंगे, but इसके बाद जब तुम भी रहोगे, एक सीनियर है वो रहेगा, ठीक है? तो he will make your life बहुत खराब. So Bittu got scared and he came to X and Y and he told them कि this happened to me and Angdoos did that to me. And then somehow, very unexpected, X Angdoos के side में चले गए. She was like, okay, look, money laundering कर रहे हैं, let me be a part of them.
Like, dude,
Yeah.
why would you think that?
And
उल्टा
now
सोचने वाले लोग.
they outcasted Y.
No.
Now Bittu and X is a part of Angdoos and now Y is
It's alone.
outcasted and she is like kind of weird, but now she's awkwardly alone and weird.
That's sad. I feel sad.
It's
Oh my
okay.
God.
This is कॉलेज।
ये गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज का तो अलग ही ड्रामा है यार, मेरे को ये सब नहीं देखने मिलता है
नहीं,
Guys,
मेरे कॉलेज में you'll see बहुत कुछ ऐसा।
मेरे कॉलेज में the kind of drama that people have in their lives.
Tell the घर पे
Oh,
वाला
I don't
drama.
know if I should say that though. Okay, so in my college, people are very performative. Some people, not everyone. I love my college. I love going there every day, and I'm also a part of it. So I can't say that everyone is performative. That's weird. It's not like that. But there is a certain group of people that I cannot tolerate. Like, you know, when someone opens their mouth and you're like, just like, shut up. Like, we have had enough of you already. Shut up. Like, it's like I can't even call them pick me. It's like one grade above pick me. Like, they'll walk into the room and they'll be the loudest people there, and it's like, see, we are all loud when we're with our friends. We do a lot of drama together, but that doesn't mean that in a public space you will not have any kind of decorum as to how you're behaving.
Zero civic sense.
Zero civic sense, exactly. And these people, I don't know if I should say that address wala thing.
Oh God.
But yeah, like there's people, some people that I have heard of who lie about where they live just to seem like,
They're
you know,
cool.
they're cool because they live in South Calcutta. And I feel like that's very weird. Like, I live in the East, she also lives in the East, that's East,
Yeah.
East only, right? And we don't care. Like, as long as you're a good human being and you have a good personality, no one cares where you live. And if you cannot be happy with where you live, you'll never be happy no matter where you live. लाइक ऐसे तो भाई तुम न्यूयॉर्क में रहो तो फिर तुमको मन करेगा कि नहीं मेरा स्टेटस अब LA वाला होना चाहिए, वेगस वाला होना चाहिए, तो कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है वैसे डिससेटिस्फाइड होके. बट
लेकिन गॉसिप गर्ल्स वो लोग करते थे ना,
हम्म.
डैन को ये करते थे, तू तो ब्रुकलिन से आया है.
exactly. Oh, I remembered another drama from my college. So basically, there's a few people. Of course, in the first year of college, you feel like everyone is your friend. You know, everyone is really nice, and oh, people are so sweet. Everyone's so sweet. But yeah, reality hits you really soon, and it hit me. And now there are some people that I don't really vibe with anymore. So I don't necessarily make that a problem. I just don't engage with those people. But these people, listen, if you think that once you become an adult that people are more sensible around you, that's
Yeah.
not the case. They're even more like teenagers. And this was proven to me when this certain people, let's call them Inky and Rinky. So Inky and Rinky, these people these people are super sweet, were super sweet to me on my face. One of them, Rinky, is still sweet to me. Inky is now like not being real. So these people, Inky and Rinky, they were very sweet to me in my first year. I was the sub CR of my class, so I was pretty much sweet with everyone, and I was not being fake. I was just being a friendly CR because I cannot be the CR and then have beef with 5 people here and 10 people there. That doesn't work. These people were super sweet to me, and over time I find out that they are talking crap about me. And oh, besides these two people, this is sorted. They know that I don't really mess with them anymore. But there's this another group of people, out of which one girl, let's call her Ria. Okay. This girl Ria, I was sweet with her. There were times when, like in class, you know, when everyone has gone to a class and you're skipping and there's one other person skipping. So we were just talking and we had a very good conversation. We talked about some of our interests in our family, school ka background, all of that. She was very sweet to me to the point where I thought, yo, you know, this girl is someone I can like be friendly with, not friends with, but friendly with. And skip to like a week or so later, I get a text from X. I get a text from X. X is someone from my school who I do not necessarily speak a lot with anymore, but X was in Park Street that day at Burger Singh. That's an outlet near my college. And X texts me, ki, hi, there are some people from your college here who are talking complete shit about you. And I was like, what? I was honestly awestruck. I did not think that I have beef with someone for them to go and talk shit about me in a public place where a lot of people from Loreto itself might be present, even if others, not others. So I asked her, how do these people look? And she gave me a description, which I cannot out, but she gave me a description, and I knew immediately who it was. It was Ria, with her two other friends who I also don't like. So I told my friends, and we decided to, you know, truck their shit जाके वहाँ पे. So हम लोग गए and sadly they had left already. But I did I did what's that?
Confront.
Yes, I did confront these people the next day, and they were like, "Ah, no, we were not saying something like that." And you know, when people chicken out, that's how they talk. Like, if you're going to talk crap about me, you can tell me. You can say it to my face. You seem stupid. Like, I have already found out from someone verified. You did not even know that X is my friend.
Exactly.
So you would not even have regulated your conversation based on that. So people are just you.
Crap.
Yeah. Bro, there's this some sort of a fish that's constantly coming out of the water, eating some fish and then going back inside.
Fish. That was not a fish.
Some sort of
Bird.
bird. So that's the tea.
Yeah.
So now we are going to go inside Victoria Memorial because हम लोग बहुत देर से अब यापा यापा कर रहे हैं बाहर बैठ के. And that was our story time. If you enjoyed us yapping, leave a comment and we'll make another story time. Because ये other time मेरे ही घर पे पड़ी रहती है, so we might as well get something out of it. I feel like Rebel Kid, like she makes the story time videos.
God.
I think we should do that. That's like a very fun no fuss video idea.
Yes, actually.
Yeah. So this is my comeback to YouTube, guys. Second video after comeback. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye bye.